Hey guys, let's take a break and dive straight into reviewing the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro headsets. So you are going to like this headsets a lot. Here we have a hands on the headsets right now. These really look amazing in this red and black color combination, guys. These are built like a tank. They are very sturdy pair of headsets. These are actually made to withdraw every kind of missions you can throw on them, like with these thick cushions which are present here. You can see the amount of foam is amazing, guys. They are very tight on your head. They provide a very good seal, like no outdoor noise is going inside. Okay, they provide a very good noise cancellation because of the amount of pressure they put on your head. Apart from that, even if you wiggle around your head, they are not going anywhere. These are actually good to carry as well. You can see why. This thing, this mic, it detaches. Okay, you can detach this mic, and it is very easy. As well as this wire here, this wire get detached as well. So here it is. As you can see, it looks amazing, guys. It provides you with a surround sound of 7.1 with this leather kind of material on the top and padding, as well as those stitching. It really makes it look great. All major gaming, game players who plays games on a professional level prefer using these like pair of headsets, because you know you can wear it for a long period of time. Apart from that, the amount of precision they provide while you're playing the game, zero lag, and very good, you know, lows where you can hear the particular footstep of the enemy around you. These are lifesavers, these are actually lifesavers. So you can actually, try using these pair of headsets, and they even come with good amount of accessories, such as you can see. This is a bag. This is a satin bag with HyperX branding. Right here you can see you get this bag, as well as you saw that detachable mic, as well as you get a good amount of controls on the wire as well, such as volume controls. You can see I can zoom in, as well as mic mute and unmute switch. So it is very compact and very usable. You even get multiple ports, such as an extension wire. This is called an extension wire. You even get it with the box. You can see HyperX logo is there as well. It is actually long. It's about 3 meters in length. And talking about the headsets, you already know it, guys. You can throw it anywhere you want to. They are going to last for a long time. They come with a good amount of warranty as well. You can see they provide more noise cancellation over here, both sides, and the amount of comfort they provide while you wear them is incredible. You are when once you wear these pair of headphones, these are going nowhere, and once you are into HyperX Cloud Pro, you cannot go back, guys. You cannot go back. These are just amazing. These are amazing pair of headsets. I recommend all of you to try this, whoever are into gaming, and I'll link it on Amazon. The price of these headphones on Amazon, it's around 8,175 rupees. You can check it out over there. I'll link it down below. So here it is, guys, for you hands on the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pros. See you guys on the next video.